Did you hear that? It's time for battle! NFT Battle Miners is a promising play-to-earn game on the Wax blockchain, August 2021, where you can mine in-game tokens, play PvP card game battles, participate in lotteries and auctions, and much more on its very own 3D metaverse. In this introductory article, we'll dive deep into this project and talk about the dev team, tokens in this game, types of cards, NFT mining, PvP battles, 3D metaverse, and feedback from the community. We won't talk about the different stats, rates, and numbers here, like the chance of an ultimate land out of a denominator or the formula to calculate mining rates, since this article gives an idea about the project. You can look at the roadmap if you want all those numbers and data. Also, if you're willing to play this game, you can take a look at our How-to-play NFT Battle Miners play-to-earn game on Wax article and get ready for the battle. Let's get going, guys. The development team. There are currently 12 amazing people working on this project, and you can hop onto their company's website by clicking the picture above. Their site is yet to be updated. The team members are: number 1, Carlo Turk, CEO. 2, Holyaka Vladslav, Advisor. Number 3, Denison R. Indang, Community Manager. Number 4, Dmitry Chalyi, Designer. Number 5, Katerina Shelyuk, Designer. Number 6, Maxim Chalyi, Tech Lead and Developer. Number 7, Vitaly Kyriluk, Designer. Number 8, Maxim Hashevsky, Developer. Number 9, Yuri Kornetskia, Developer. 10, Vitaly Yakovlov, Developer. 11, Alexander Bednachenko, Junior Developer. And number 12, Santiago Hermosa, Partnerships and Marketing. In-game tokens. Number 1, Fusium, NBMFUS. Fusium is the token that's the most abundant, easiest, and cheapest to earn. Fusing cards, pure leveling up, NMB shop, maintenance, lucky draw, auctions, PvP battles, etc. are some use cases of Fusium. Number 2, Actium, NBMACT. Like Fusium, Actium is also relatively abundant and easy to earn. Leveling up active cards, pure leveling up, NBM shop, maintenance, lucky draw, auctions, PvP battles, etc. are some use cases of Actium. Number 3, Minium, NBMMIN. Unlike Fusium and Actium, Minium is slightly difficult and expensive to earn. Upgrading lands, pure leveling up, NBM shop, maintenance, lucky draw, auctions, PvP battles, etc. are some use cases of Minium. Number 4, Constructium, NBMCON. Constructium is the most scarce resource in the game and is relatively difficult and more expensive to earn. Upgrading construction cards, pure leveling up, NBM shop, maintenance, lucky draw, auctions, voting, PvP battles, etc. are some use cases for Constructium. Number 5, the 5th token? The 5th token is deflationary that would be available with the full Metaverse release, which would work as the currency for all the player-to-player trading. The developers are currently working on this token, and we don't know everything about this token yet. NBM cards. How many rarities are there? There are 5 rarities in NBM, i.e. Common, Rare, Epic, Legendary, and Ultimate, which have different colors. Just take a look at them below. How many types of cards are there? There are 3 types of cards in NBM, i.e. active cards, lands, and construction cards. Here's some in-depth information about them. Number 1, active cards. Active cards can be used for PvP battles, mining on lands, playing mini-games, burning for upgrading other active cards, and blending for points in the lucky draw. You can obtain active cards by opening active card packs, NFT mining, auctions, lucky draws, or simply from the Wax NFT marketplace. Number 2. Lands. Lands are the cards where you can use your active cards to mine game resources. Wax, when the Wax pool is not empty, new NFTs, NBM and partnership tools, and burn to upgrade other lands. You can obtain them by opening Survival, Secured Station, Front Post, Dominator packs, or simply from the Wax NFT marketplace. Number 3. Construction. Construction cards are the scariest type of card in NBM. You can use construction cards on land to provide extra space, so you can place more active cards on land along with a specific percentage boost to some resources, which could be very helpful to boost your mining rates if used correctly and upgrade other construction cards. You can obtain construction cards by opening construction packs, special lotteries, or from the Wax NFT marketplace. Mining. You can start mining in-game resources, NBM NFTs, NBM partner NFTs from the partnership tool, and Wax from the Wax pool. Here are some essential things you need to know about mining. 1. Maintenance. Your cards would have durability and break to simulate real life, which would decrease the mining power of the cards and ultimately decrease your mining rate. You need to pay with resources to repair them, which you could do on the field or get them back to your headquarters cheaper. If your mining operation has been operating for over 48 hours, field repair price increases as the team need rest. 2. Resource and NFT mining. You could mine resources and NFTs on lands with your lands, active cards, and construction cards. You at least need one land and one card to start mining. However, that won't give you the best results, so you would need to invest more time learning how it works. I've explained in depth about how this and how you can start mining in our How-to-play NFT Battle Miners Play to Earn game on Wax article, so do check that out if you want to learn more. 3. Mining grid. If you have active cards but no lands to mine on, you can use them on the mining grid. Every user has a chance to mine a small number of random tokens once per hour based on luck and his active card RESM and NFTM parameters. You can add up to 300 active cards on the mining grid. Number 4. Mining Wax. NBM will periodically host events such as lucky draws, auctions, special sales, etc., where players could pay Wax. The Wax received from these events will be returned to the players through the dedicated Wax pool. To mine Wax from the Wax pool, you need to be mining on land or the mining grid. Mining on lands gives you a higher chance to mine Wax, and similarly, having higher RESM and NFTM on your active cards provides you with more possibilities to mine Wax. You can easily withdraw the Wax you mine to your actual Wax wallet from your in-game wallet. 5. Mining partner NFTs. NBM continuously partners with other projects and brings more value to both parties. When some project partners up with NBM, they provide some NFTs that the NBM miners could mine, which exposes them to the new project. Partnering is an excellent way to market to the other project, providing value to NBM players. Win-win situation, isn't it? To mine NFTs from the partner NFTs pool, you need to be mining on land or the mining grid. Mining on lands gives you a higher chance to mine partner NFTs, and similarly, having higher NFTM on your active cards provides you more opportunities to mine partner NFTs. The NFTs you mine are directly sent to your Wax wallet. 6. Booster NFTs. Among the partner NFTs, some would provide a specific percentage boost to your mining operations. Each land has 3 additional slots that you can use to boost your mining rate. The maximum boost you can achieve per slot is 3.3%, with the minimum being 0.5%. PvP battles. Get your active cards ready. Let's PvP. You can collect up to 10 different active cards and start playing PvP battles. Even if you have no active cards, you can always try friendly battles where you can select any 10 cards from the promo collection to play PvP battles. More on how you can play PvP is on our How to Play NFT Battle Miners Play to Earn game on Wax article. Gameplay. Each player has 10 cards presented and revealed to the opponent at the start. After the reveal follows a banning phase where users ban 5 of the opponent's cards. The cards that are left enter the battlefield, and players have to assign them to the 5 slots. Once both players have set their cards, the game will reveal formations. The front 2 cards and the back row 3 cards are 2 rows where you place your active cards. The front row can take more damage and do more than the back row. After the 10th turn, cards will start receiving auto damage to avoid never-ending games. From turn 10, 1 damage, turn 15, 5 damage, turn 20, 10 damage, turn 25, 20 damage, and turn 30, 40 damage. Who is the winner? The one who has the last active card remaining wins. Card stamina. When a battle ends, cards lose 5% of their stamina, which starts at 100% and regenerates 5% every hour. Low stamina won't affect your gameplay, but you won't be able to use a card if they have 0% stamina. This system applies to every game mode except for the betting mode. Battle modes. There are 3 battle modes which are as follows. Friendly. Choose any 10 cards from the promo collection and start battling where games won't count towards the leaderboards. You can customize it if you want to play it for free or for resources and be able to challenge a specific player. Ranked. Get your deck of 10 cards ready and start playing matches for free and earn 25 of the random token if you win playing against the closest rating in the queue. Betting. Get your deck of 10 cards ready for the ultimate betting mode, where you can pay a customizable entry and earn 90% of the entry, 10% gets recycled. You get paired against the decks based on the highest rarity card on your deck. Prizes. Every season, week, get a chance to win some of the awesome rewards for the following achievements. Top rating. 2 million resources per season. 500k of each resource. Top earner from the betting battle mode. 2 million resources per season. 500k of each resource. Top loser from the betting battle mode. 1 million resources per season. 250k of each resource. The top 100 players in each leaderboard split the prizes based on their placement. Consumables. We can also buy consumables from the consumable shop or even mine them via NFT mining and use them in PvP battles. You can equip 3 of them per match and use them. If not used, you can use them again next time. They are in-game items that are not NFTs. Play to earn 3D Metaverse. NBM has just released its Metaverse roadmap, and it looks fascinating. You can check it out here. File download link. Metaverse would not be web-based. You would need to download another application because it's not possible for the developers to provide all the fantastic features through the web. The genre combines strategy, grand strategy, Forex, and RTS, real-time strategy. The Metaverse would have easy access to gameplay for conventional players without a crypto background, and a free-to-play element added that would allow anyone to start playing this game. You would have a referral system and be able to build alliances when the Metaverse is ready. Moreover, you would be able to see in-game markets, job marketing, renting, and more. The NBM community is super excited about the Metaverse. What about you? Additional game elements. There are so many game elements in NBM that we have not discussed before. We cannot go in-depth in all of them, so here's a short description of the remaining ones. Minigames. So far, there are 2 minigames that you can play. They are A. Active Team Guess. Active Team Guess is a minigame that's less popular than Mining Grid. You can place any number of cards you want and get a chance to win some resources by playing it. You can learn more in detail by checking the rules section there. B. Mining Grid. The Mining Grid is the most popular minigame we discussed earlier in this article. You have a mining grid, place up to 300 active cards, and earn in-game tokens. You can check out the rules for more information. In-game wallet. The in-game wallet is where you get all your mined resources and wax. You can easily withdraw and deposit resources there, which allows you to perform activities in the game without consuming your CPU. Market. NBM has an in-game market where you can see all the NBM assets and easily filter them based on rarity, levels, etc. Pack opening. You can do all the pack openings via the pack opening page. You can also see which cards you could get if you open the packs. Blending. You can blend 5 card pieces to claim 1 active card pack, 2 of NBM's special Christmas and New Year's NFT to claim shop tickets, claim metal posters, and blend active cards to get points for Lucky Draw, and more in the future in the blending page. The developers could add more blending options in the future. Voting. NBM loves to include its community in making decisions, allowing users to vote for proposals by paying 100 NBM CON. The voting power of highly invested players is also high in the voting. You can vote when proposals are open for voting on the voting page. Sales. Information regarding various NBM hosts is available on the sales page. Leaderboard. On the leaderboard page, you can see the top miners based on what they are mining. You can choose and take a look at which leaderboard you want. Auction. You can participate in NBM auctions by heading over to the auction page when active auctions are on. You would need NBM resources in your in-game wallet to make bids. You can read the rules there for detailed information. Lucky Draw. You can participate in lucky draws by hopping over to the Lucky Draw page when active lotteries are happening. You can enter by paying wax, NBM resources, or blending active cards. For further details, you can take a look at the instructions there. Feedback from the community. I asked a few of the active NBM players, and here's the feedback I received from them. Positive aspects. There are a lot of utilities for all the NBM assets, and every single NFT NBM has created multiple utilities. NBM developers are very transparent and always in touch with the community. NBM NFTs have great designs, and they've also been made 3D for the Metaverse since the very beginning. The team allows the community to push their ideas for suggestions. It enables the community to vote by paying a small number of fees, allowing highly invested players with more voting power since they're more severe regarding the project. NBM has an incredible team, and they always admit their mistakes and solve the bugs at lightning pace. The game is complex and has a lot of mechanics, which makes it more fun and interesting to play. The way the game is super CPU efficient and allows you to play the game without worrying about running out of CPU. Multi-accounting has almost no benefit in this game, and devs are also very active and cautious regarding bots. Negative aspects. Due to various reasons, the game couldn't meet their goals, but now they are on track and hope it continues. The NBM team is pretty centralized in Ukraine. No need to worry though. They are in safe places now and working hard regularly. Some of the card names are a bit weird, like BM Giveaway. It would be a lot better if they came up with better names for some of those cards like that. We've yet to see broad adoption, and some new players find it too complicated. There's a lack of marketing so far as the team is getting the product ready, but they will soon start advertising their game as the Metaverse release is right around the corner. I wouldn't disclose their names here, but I would like to thank them for their contribution to our article by giving their feedback. In a nutshell, NBM has a good team with a promising project which already has a robust economy and a fantastic Metaverse community in existence. We talked about the project and the features of this fantastic game and provided feedback from the community. So I hope you learned a lot from this article about NBM. Do you want to get on the battlefield? Check this How to Play NFT Battle Miners Play to Earn game on Wax article out if you do. Links. Here are the links to the social handles, official website, and game website. Discord, Twitter, Facebook, Medium, Telegram, company's link, official website, game website, NBM roadmap.